दिवाली के इस शुभ अवसर पर बीएसी के एमडी एंड सीईओ आशीष कुमार चौहान और टीम बीएसी की तरफ से आप सबको दिवाली की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं और आने वाले संवत ईयर 2069 आपको बहुत मुबारक हो। देवियों ने सज्जनों, દિવાળીના શુભ અવસર પર તમને બધાને અમારા એમડી એન્ડ સીઈઓ આશીષ કુમાર ચૌહાણ અને ટીમ બીએસસી તરફે ઢેર સારી શુભકામનાઓ અને તમારું આ સંવત યર 2069 જે બેસવાનું છે તેનું સાલ મુબારક તમને. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for coming here today. On behalf of our MD and CEO Ashish Kumar Chauhan and team BSc, wish you all a very, very happy Diwali and a wonderful and prosperous new year. BSc has always been a service-oriented organization. We are always there to help, support, sort out the issues of brokers, members, etc. And today is a very fitting day for us to honor our members who have done excellently and supported us in terms of business volumes throughout the year. I may clarify that it is a Samvat year 2068. We would like to felicitate our top performers today. Talking of top performers, there can be none more outstanding than the celebrities who we have got as our esteemed guests today. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together to welcome Shri Suresh Oberoi. Welcome, sir. Welcome to BSc. May I request Ashish Kumar Chauhan to please come on stage and give him a small memento and welcome him to BSc. So thank you very much for sparing your time and coming here today on Diwali. Ladies and gentlemen, to add Sone Pe Suhaga, we have the charismatic, the smart, the charming Vivek Oberoi. Thank you very much for coming. Thank you. Shri Vivek ji will be handing over the mementos to our top performers. Suresh ji will be giving them the certificates. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll start the felicitation now. I would request all those brokers whose organizations' names are called who are come here to receive the felicitation to please come on stage quickly because we have a tight time schedule until we start the Muhurat trading at 3:45 sharp. Thank you very much for your cooperation. I would request the audience to please join in lustily in clapping and appreciating the top performers. Equity segment retail for 2011-12, Adroit Financial Services Private Limited. Angel Broking Limited. Please note the names are in alphabetical order. Angel Broking Limited.
What do you call Angel? That fellow?
I don't know. Bonanza Portfolio Limited. Bonanza Portfolio Limited. JM Financial Services Private Limited.
Bonanza? That's a Bonanza. Bonanza.
The gentleman from Bonanza is here. Congratulations, sir. Next up, Marwadi Shares and Finance Limited. Somebody from Motilal Oswal, please stay ready. Marwadi Shares and Finance Limited. We have somebody from Motilal Oswal. Yeah. But ये लोग को लेट आवे ना. Hi Harsh, congrats. May I please request somebody from OPG Securities to come up, please? Next is Religate Securities Limited. OPG Securities Private Limited. Do we have someone from Religare? We'll move on to the next category then. Now we have the top performers in equity segment, financial institution, FI for 2011-12, Antique Stock Broking Limited. And Antique Stock Broking. Next we have Axis Capital Limited. Formerly Enam, Axis Capital Limited. Welcome, Dharmesh bhai. India Infoline Limited next, please. India Infoline Limited. Next we move to the top performers in the equity segment, FII, Foreign Institutional Investors. We have Kotak Securities Limited. Kotak Securities Limited, please come. Next up, Morgan Stanley India Company Private Limited. Morgan Stanley, someone from Morgan Stanley? Next, we have the top performers in equity segment, Algo 2011-12, Cross Seas Capital Services Private Limited. Next, we have the top performer in derivative segment, Retail 2011-12, MJ Patel Share and Stock Brokers Limited. Somebody from MJ Patel? Next, we have Master Capital Services Limited. Somebody from PELF Finstock Limited over here, PELF. PELF Finstock Limited. Salazar Stock Broking Limited. You are from Swastika? Swastika Investmart Limited. Somebody from Trade Swift Broking Private Limited. Gentleman from Trade Swift Broking Private Limited. Top performers in derivative segment, FII, Citigroup Global Markets India Private Limited. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Citigroup Global Markets India. Next, we have the top performer in derivative segment Algo, East India Securities Limited. Gentlemen from East India Securities Limited, Edelweiss Securities. Edelweiss Securities Limited. Do we have someone from Mansukh? Mansukh Stock Brokers Limited for derivative segment retail and algo. We now go to the top performers in the corporate bonds segment retail for 2011-12. ASE Capital Markets Limited. Edelweiss Securities Private Limited, please come up again. Congratulations, Tamil. Edelweiss Securities Private Limited. Congratulations. Can we have somebody from Kotak Securities, please? Kotak Securities Limited, top performer in corporate bond segment retail. Next, we'll reward the top performers in wholesale debt market segment. Derivium Tradition Securities India Private Limited. Can I request LKP Securities to please come up next? Derivium Tradition Securities India Private Limited. Next, we have LKP Securities Limited. Somebody here from Trust Financial Consultancy? Trust Financial Consultancy Services Private Limited. Welcome, sir. Next, we have top performers from the corporate bond settlement 2011-12. Birla Sun Life Asset Management Company Limited. IDFC Asset Management Company Limited. IDFC Asset Management Company Limited. Next, can we have somebody from Indiabulls Financial Services, please? Congrats. Indiabulls Financial Services Limited. Next, we have the top performers in the primary market IPO, FPO bids members category. We've got Axis Capital Limited, formerly Inam. We have JM Financial Services Limited next. Dharmesh Bhai from Axis Capital. JM Financial Services Private Limited, Kotak Securities, please. Kotak Securities Limited. Top performers in primary market IPO, FPO bids from banks. We have next Bank of India, please. Deutsche Bank and State Bank. Can we have a person from Bank of India, please? Congratulations, sir. Deutsche Bank AG. Congratulations. And State Bank of India. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together.
Come here. Come on this side.
Next, we have the top performers in OFS category. ICICI Securities Limited. HDFC Securities Limited. ICICI Securities Limited. Congrats, man.
Thank you, sir.
HDFC Securities Limited. Does somebody still come from Morgan Stanley, India? Now we move to a category that is very close to my heart since I am running that business in BSE. Top performer in the mutual fund segment 2011-12, Motilal Oswal Securities Limited. NJ India Invest, please stay ready. Followed by SPS. Please welcome Yagnesh Desai from NJ India Invest Private Limited. And we're very glad to have with us Sandeep from SPS Share Brokers Private Limited. Yagnesh, photo. SPS Share Brokers Private Limited. Nice of you to come. Oh, photo mati ho ya? बॉस हमारा नवा नवा सीईओ છે હા સંભાળજો જરા Last but definitely not the least, we have the top performers in the SME segment for 2011-12. I would like to welcome somebody from Ariman Financial Services Limited, please. This may be called the small and medium enterprise segment, but it's a very large growing segment in India today. Next, may I request somebody from Comfort Securities Limited, please. Somebody from Comfort Securities Limited. To top off this felicitation ceremony, we would request somebody from Guinness Merchant Bankers Private Limited to please come. Congratulations to you. Top performer in the SME segment. That concludes the felicitation ceremony. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. A big round of applause for all the winners. May I request Suresh ji to please say a few words to us on this auspicious occasion of Diwali. Yes, sir.
नमस्कार, हैप्पी दिवाली। सबको बहुत बहुत दिवाली मुबारक हो और सभी को मुबारक हो भाई, और डबल डबल मुबारक हो जिनको आज अवार्ड्स मिले और बड़ी खुशी हुई। मुझे उम्मीद है अगले साल और भी आएंगे अवार्ड्स लेने और हर बार आपको मिले। और हम दुआ करते हैं, प्रार्थना करते हैं, आज पूजा भी अच्छी हो गई। हम चाहेंगे कि ये दिवाली का जो अंधेरा में दिया जलाते हैं, इसी तरह आप सबकी ज़िंदगी में भी दिया जले, लक्ष्मी जी का दिया जले और बहुत सारा उजाला आए, बहुत सारी लाइट आए, रोशनी आए और अब सबको आपके मन में भी रोशनी आए। और वैसे भी दिवाली के दिन हम लोग जो कपड़े बदलते हैं और नए नए कपड़े पहनते हैं, मीठा मुँह करते हैं, तो हम अपनी पुरानी बातें, पुराने गिले शिकवे बिजनेस में, घर में, दोस्ती में, रिश्ते में, पड़ोस में, सब पुरानी चीज़ों को भूल जाते हैं। उसका मतलब ये है दिवाली का, सब पुरानी नेगेटिव बातों को भूलकर नया दिया जलाना है। और गुरु जो होता है, जो अंधेरे को हटा देता है, वो गुरु रोशनी होती है। तो वो दिया दिल में जलाना है, प्यार का दिया जलाना है। और एक एक दिया आज हम सब जलाएंगे, स्पिरिचुअल दिया अपने मन में, और आगे ज़िंदगी में रोशनी आएगी और बहुत बहुत खुशियाँ आएगी। आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you very much. So those were really, truly beautiful words spoken from the heart, not with a script for the first time, I guess. So really well done, sir. Thank you very much. May I now request everybody to please put your hands together to welcome Shri Vivek Oberoi. The girls are allowed to scream and whistle also.
Namaskar. Wishing everybody a very, very happy Diwali. इस वक्त तो आवाज़ कम है अंदर। मुझे अभी बताया जा रहा था थोड़े समय पहले कि when this was a trading floor, तो यहाँ की आवाज़ चर्च गेट तक सुनाई देती थी। So I've just been told that. अब आजकल यहाँ पे ज़्यादा आवाज़ होती नहीं है, लेकिन जो BSc की आवाज़ है वो दिल्ली तक पहुँच जाती है। Wish you all a very, very happy new year. Lots of prosperity. May the index hit a new high, and prosperity and wealth to everybody. Thank you.
Thank you very much, gentlemen. Would you please join us in the audience? We have a small function of the BSc Brokers Forum now. So I would request Ashish ji and Siddharth bhai. Acha, Ashish ji. Sir.
Good afternoon. Let me thank Mr. Suresh Oberoi, Mr. Vivek Oberoi for coming here, and thank all of you for being present today. My best wishes to all of you and also to the market. As you said, may the Sensex get a new high this next Samvat. Sal Mubarak and Happy Diwali.
Yeah, I'll call them. We now have a small launch ceremony of a DVD by the BSc Brokers Forum. So I would like to request Shri Ashish ji and Siddharth ji to please stay on the stage. And we would like to welcome. We'd also like to welcome Shri Navneet Lal Bhatia, the President of the BSc Brokers Forum, and Shri Alok Churiwala, Vice Chairman of the BSc Brokers Forum. And of course, the powerhouse of the BSc Brokers Forum, Vispirusi Bhatena, the CEO. Vispi, I'll let you take over the mic now.
Namaskar and a very happy Diwali to all of you present over here. It's indeed a moment where BSc Brokers Forum has taken this initiation along with the BSc Investor Protection Fund and the Investor Education and the Welfare Association. We present and we request Sri Ashish sir to launch this educational DVD. This DVD has around 10 topics, right from the primary market to secondary market to financial planning, and the whole objective is the idea of financial inclusion and financial literacy. So please, we have the DVD over here.
Hello, hello, check, check, check. Hello, check, check. Hello, hello, check. Hello, hello, check.
Siddharth bhai, please say a few words for us.
Hello, hello, check.
On behalf of BSc Broker Forum, I welcome all of you. This unique project which BSc Broker Forum has undertaken, government is doing their bit of thing. They have announced Rajiv Gandhi scheme, by which there is the tier 2, tier 3 cities and in a rural area, people can participate in equity market. First time investor can get the income tax exemption. So from broking community side, this is a small initiative we have taken along with Mr. Bhatia and BSc, wherein this series of CDs, which consist of the different asset class of the capital market, and expert on the subject is going to speak and record this. We will distribute this to free of charge to tier 2, tier 3 and rural area so that more awareness and financial inclusion can take place. Thank you very much and happy Diwali.
We can do it. 340 to be here.
Hello, hello, check, 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 check. हाँ बोलो बोलो बोलो.
We overachieved. We overachieved. खाली कह दिए लोगों ने कि yes.